Welcome to the Shows and Exhibitions section. This is similar to Bodies of Work, where it's a filtered out version of your finished pieces, so you can see how they fit together for upcoming shows or exhibitions. For many of us, after we have started selling our works, we come into the challenge of managing where our artwork will go. Will it be an upcoming art show? Will it be at a gallery? Are we bringing it to an exhibition? Or are we submitting it to museum exhibitions or other shows? We wanted to make a space where you can look at your individual pieces, keep track of which pieces are available, and which pieces are already dedicated to specific shows, so you can see both how they look together and where they're going. So just like before, if you ever want to change the show names, come in and edit one of these cards. If you scroll down, you'll come to the show and exhibition property in the Kanban card. Here, you can change the names in the shows. We put in 2 shows that we know from ourselves or other friends, but change it to how you want. If it's an art fair, like TMA, the Tucson Museum of Art Craft Fair, or Buffalo Bill Wild West show, there's different upcoming shows and exhibitions and needs, so feel free to delete the existing ones, change their name, or just make your own. But this way, once you have made them available in the portfolio section, you can look at how these different pieces will go together and have an easy, portable, mobile, and digital reminder of which pieces go where. I know a lot of times in the chaos of getting work done and prepping for shows, some of my notes and some of the studio can get, a little less organized than usual. So this is one way to stay on top, have a reminder, and have it easily accessible for whenever you need it.